These are AA batteries. You're going to get 20 in them. Now, these are specifically designed for solar. So solar lights, solar, any type of solar equipment you might have, these will charge up. They do arrive charged, so you can put them in right when you get them. And then this is just a battery charger that I have already. It doesn't come with it, but you can get it as well. But I have this already, and you can charge these with this. So in reference to charging these, if you prefer to do that, you are going to need a NiMH battery charger. It can't be one of the standard chargers. These are specifically designed for like stopping when they're fully charged, and they terminate the charge once they reach that charge. So the other battery chargers won't do that. They're going to try to keep charging. They're going to drain the battery. They're not going to make it work good and efficiently. Thanks for the brand for sending me these to review and to check out.